Too confusing, isn't it? No? Wait for it.
വർഷാവർഷം മട വെച്ച് വിരിച്ചെടുക്കുന്ന നിന്നെ പോലുള്ള സ്നോബുകൾക്ക് ഈ ആത്മാവ് തൊട്ടറിയാനുള്ള സെൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവണം, സെൻസിബിലിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവണം, സെൻസിറ്റിവിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവണം.
മമ്മൂക്കയുടെ ഈ ഡയലോഗ് കേട്ട് കോരിത്തരിക്കാത്ത മലയാളികൾ ആരും കാണില്ല. പക്ഷെ എല്ലാവരും മമ്മൂക്കയെ നോക്കി നിന്നപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ തപ്പിപ്പോയത് സെൻസിറ്റിവിറ്റി, സെൻസിബിലിറ്റി. ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. യു മസ്റ്റ് ഹാവ് സീൻ ദിസ് ഡയലോഗ്. ഞാൻ മമ്മൂക്കയുടെ ഫാൻ ആയത് ഈ ഒരു ഡയലോഗ് കാരണമാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയായിരിക്കും എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. സോ there are two words here, sensitivity and sensibility. Are they one and the same? No. So let's talk about them. They are mostly confused. So today let's end this confusion and use these beautiful words whenever we can. Let's start. Number one, sensitivity. You must have come across this word in advertisements where a dentist tells you to use so and so toothpaste to avoid sensitivity. What is sensitivity? The feeling or that sensation when you eat or drink something cold, and mostly it happens if you have a bad tooth. So in the case of a tooth, it is sensitive to hot or cold things. Sensitive is related to senses, and when you say a person is sensitive, means he or she is very emotional. He or she may cry or be angry at the drop of a hat. They are very delicate and they should be handled with care. So that is what we mean by sensitive person. Sensitive person as it is not a negative quality, but if we say a person is really sensitive, that means we have to take extra care in dealing with such a person. Sensitive person, sensitivity. Sensitive is adjective and sensitivity is noun. Now the next one, sensibility. Sensibility also takes the root word from sense. But here sense means facts. A person who is sensible will judge on the basis of facts. For him or her, emotions don't play a crucial role. Emotions take a backseat. Such people are also termed as practical people. You should be sensible while watching news channels. That is, you should have an ear to facts alone. So sensible is adjective and sensibility is noun. So be sensible and please subscribe to my channel and be sensitive to my hard work. Thank you so much for being here, and as I always say, we'll meet soon in my next one. Bye. Too confusing, isn't it? No? Wait for it. Mostly people who are too sensitive are asked to be a bit sensible. People who are too sensitive are asked to be a bit sensible. And people who are too sensible are asked to be a bit sensitive. Now you are confused.
അറിയാനുള്ള സെൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവണം, സെൻസിബിലിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവണം, സെൻസിറ്റിവിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവണം.